Hello everybody and welcome to the free RPA course with UiPath. This is Base Robot and Camilo Duarte, and let's take a look at the agenda. Okay, this is the agenda for our course. First of all, we are going to create your first robot. This is important because we are going to create a real estate bot to automate the search for a home. This is pretty interesting. And well, you don't need any kind of knowledge in RPA in order to do this robot. So let's do it. The second concept that we are going to see, or the second robot that we are going to develop, it's going to be the TRM, how to capture and convert the day's TRM. We are going to see some concepts like recorders and selectors. The third topic in our agenda is the exception handling, one of the most important concepts that we need to do in order to create resilient robots. 4. Read Excel and fill out forms. Well, this is our day-to-day for an RPA developer, because all that we are going to do is take information from an Excel and then fill out a web form based on an Excel spreadsheet. So this is very important and a very used topic. 5. Excel automation. Well, you're going to learn how to manipulate Excel files as you wish. 6. Read and send emails. Learn how to read, filter, and then send professional emails. You can include HTML in those professional emails. So this is pretty important and a bot can do it. So pretty interesting agenda. And well, the last but not least, can you subscribe please to my channel in order to grow, to get more subscribers? And if you want to learn more advanced topics, you can leave your email in the link I leave below in the description to notify you when I have the advanced paid course. See you in the next videos.